going on, all my bearded brothers? Thanks for coming back to my channel and checking me out. Tonight's not going to be a product review, but a revealing from Brian over at CRUSHERscreations. We've been talking for a while about this, and he asked me if I'd do the reveal, and I said absolutely. He's going to start off with 15 of the black tin and bottles. It might be a permanent scent for him depending on if it sells or not. The first 15 bundles will be, like I said, with the black tins. Anything after that will be normal amber bottles with his regular tins. Brian's from North Carolina. He goes by the name CRUSHERscreations. I've used his products. They're awesome products. I will say there's been some controversy on, I don't know, stuff that he has put in his oils in the past. It's, I guess I heard some people say it made him sick, or, to me, I'm not about negativity. I try to keep my channel positive. I won't tolerate the negativity on my channel or my Instagram. And I'm assuming it's all about something happening in the past, which I have nothing about. It's really none of my business, but I can vouch for Brian. I've used his products. I've actually had my son put his products in his hair. Little sidetrack here for a minute. Every time I get beard mail, my son runs up to me, Daddy, what do you got? He's only 2, so he's not really saying that, but I get, he's what do you got, Daddy? What do you got? And I just drop a couple dabs in his hand, and he'll sit there and go like that and just rub it in his hair, and he was totally fine. If people are gonna make accusations like that, you'd think they would come forward. That's what I would assume. If I used a product and it made me sick, you're absolutely right. I would come forward in a heartbeat and go after the company, period. But anyway, I've used his products. I like his products. And if I get unfollowed, that's fine with me. If I lose subscribers, that's also fine with me. I'm not doing this for the subscribers. I'm not doing this for the followers. I'm doing this because I love to do this. Anyway, his products, he's known as his balm being buttery smooth, and it is buttery smooth. But the reveal, like I said, he's going to have a limited bundle, 15 of these bundles. He's going to sell for $30 with free shipping. And I'll show you the bottle. And if you're familiar with his bottles, you see something different on the bottles. And this scent profile is called Smoking Apple. And it is a mixture of green apple, amber, and spices with a light musky base. The ingredients are jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, fragrance oil blend, made in the USA, allergy warning, nut and other skin allergies. So make sure if you get any products, beard products, you test out on your skin to make sure you're not allergic to them. Anyway, and it's called Smoking Apple, and right off the bottle open, you get the apple right off the get. It's a strong scent, but when you put it in beard throughout the day, it just erupts into the mixture. Whatever recipe he did in this, I think he nailed it, because it's a great scent. It's a light to medium blend, maybe a tint of green, maybe yellow, and it, like I said, it's a great smell. It's exactly what it is. It's a smoky type apple scent, and the balm is just as good. And the ingredients in his balm are shea butter, beeswax, sweet almond, grapeseed, jojoba oil, castor oil, and lanolin oil. And his his balm is buttery smooth. I mean, I don't have to put any pressure on that. Look at that. It's just buttery smooth. Barely anything. It's gone. And it just, when you heat it up, it just, the flavor profile, or the scent profile, it's amazing. I'm I don't normally wear this type of scent profile, but I gotta tell you, it smells amazing. I think you guys, if you like apple, you're gonna love this scent profile of this. Like I said, he's going to do 15 bundles. I know I've said it, but I want to make sure I get this all in there in this video. He's got 15 bundles of the black tins. Once he sells out of those, it's up to him whether he wants to keep this as a permanent scent or not. So if he, like I said, if he sells them, I'm sure he'll get more up. I don't see him having a problem selling these because they're amazing. His products are great. They go great in my beard. Another thing, I put this on his products in. I think it was Friday night, and Saturday night, about 3:30 in the morning, going to Sunday. I'm sitting there playing with my beard as all of us beardsmen do, and I still had the scent in my beard. When I have a beard oil in, it goes about 12 hours, maybe a little less, maybe a little more, but that was over 20 hours that I've had this oil in, and I think that's amazing. Like I said at first, it's a strong apple, but once you get it in your hand and rub it in beard throughout the day, you can just smell the smokiness of it. It's just, I love it. I love the oil. It goes good in my beard. It makes my beard really soft. It's just an amazing product he came up with here. And like I said, the controversy that about whatever happened in the past, it's in the past. Leave it in the past. I mean, if it's in the past, it's in the past. Let it be there in the past. Let him do what he does with his company, and just whatever. It is what it is. I understand. I'm probably going to lose followers and subscribers, and that's okay. That's fine with me. I do this not because of fame. I don't do this because of free products. I don't do this for anything like that. I do this because I love doing it. I love being able to make these videos for you guys, trying the products, and this is all for you guys and the love of doing it. So again, CRUSHERScreations, 15 bundles of the black tin, $30 for free shipping. Hit him up on his Instagram or Facebook. I'll throw all his links in the description below. If you guys like apple, just add a little bit of smokiness to that, and you got yourself a smoking apple. You guys have a good night. Thanks for sticking around for the video. Until the next one, peace.